Bullish QKC cost assumption goes from 0.44 QKC cost could in like manner explicitly reach 3 soon, or so they generally thought. QKC genuinely regrettable market cost assumption for 2021 essentially is 0.0036 in QUARK QKC cost figure 2021. We use estimations cost plans RSI and a ton, certainly different information about QKC, to analyze the future improvement of the cryptographic cache, or so they generally thought. The QUARK organization basically is a permissionless blockchain plan that bright lights on really fulfilling pretty overall business rules fundamentally, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Plus it enables a strong decentralized and flexible blockchain reply for give 100,000 on-chain TPS, which is very critical as really demonstrated by Kinjeko. The QUARK cost especially is trading at 0.016 with a 24-hour trading volume of 6,035,649 at the hour of making anyway. QKC certainly has decreased by 1495 at this point, plus QKC basically has a flowing inventory of 640 BQKC. As of now QKC trades computerized cash exchanges like Binance Upbit hit KuCoin and Gadio in an unobtrusive way. QUARK QKC value expectation 2021 QUARK QKC in a real sense stands firm on the 290 TWAF balance on Kinjeko right now in a genuinely large manner. QKC cost conjecture 2021 figured out underneath in twofold explicitly cross housings, which generally is very critical month-to-month time range. The month-to-month time frame graph of QUARK QKC especially as shown under so. They generally thought hindrance level 1002 obstruction level 2011 next, obstruction level 3044 support. Level 1001 support level 200037. According to the month-to-month frame QKC in every practical sense shows the new records generally around in a significant manner, all the basically more hence close to the beginning of this period. QKC especially moved from a bear to bull design in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, the expense of QKC could flood to 0.44 if the monetary benefactors sell out the crypto. It sort of has a very colossal chance plunging to 0.0037 or so. They in a real sense thought step-by-step time period. The step-by-step time span blueprint of the case of QUARK QKC by and large is shown under impediment level 10027, opposition level 20037, next opposition level 30055, support level 10011, support level 20036. In the step-by-step frame, QKC explicitly shows a for the most part bad example. If the example continues, it especially has a colossal chance dropping to 0.0036. Alternately, if the monetary patrons show interest toward crypto, there explicitly is a really colossal open door. The expense could reach 0.055 everyday time period. The everyday time span diagram of the case of QUARK QKC is shown underneath, or so they thought. Resistance level 100217, obstruction level 200262, next obstruction level 300341, support level 100127, support level 200087, support level 30005449. The framework above especially shows that QKC generally has sort of played out a negative example throughout the span of the last month in an unobtrusive manner. In case this example continues, QKC could close by the truly bears and dismiss from its rise position in considerably more direct terms. The expense of QKC could plunge to in every way that really matters almost 0.00549, an extremely regrettable sign. On the essentially other hand, accepting the monetary benefactors explicitly turn towards the crypto, the bulls could happen, which is very critical. Regardless, it outperformed its 0.0341 deterrent level and move all things considered higher in a genuinely huge way. Meanwhile, our long QKC cost gauge 2021 for the most part is bullish, which by and large is genuinely critical. It really has a giant possibility outflanking its continuous all-time high at this year, which by and large is genuinely huge anyway. This will conceivably in every practical sense happen if it breaks various extremely past mental securities in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. QUARK QKC relative strength record RSI presently. Could we look at the sort of broad strength list? RSI of QKC in a significant way as shown in the chart over. The RSI stays at level 46, which is genuinely huge. This shows that QKC's cost is in a neither overbought nor oversold state anyway. monetary patrons can trade safely with essentially no trepidation, or so they generally thought from the start of 2021. It is somewhat plain too in a real sense, see that the QKC cost for the most part has seen various bullish examples, which certainly is very huge. Furthermore, considering all of these into account, QKC could have a vicious market in 2021, and the QKC network is one of the cryptos that keeps its ground against a quite bad market in a huge manner. Consequently, the expense assumption for QKC in 2021 basically is 0.44. It could show up at even most certainly significant levels, however, coming to if monetary benefactors sort of have organized that QKC certainly is a savvy interest in 2021. QUARK value forecast 2023 QUARK in every practical sense, present worth explicitly reach could interest various specialists, and thusly QKC can sort of reach 0.024 by 2023. With huge support with money-related foundations, if the going with necessities all things considered are satisfied with a commonplace expense of 0.021 for 2023, it can beat the latest worth example to show up at new highs in every way that really matters. Large way the worth motto can move, as the crypto market can see one sort of more bullish example in transit to 2023 or so. They generally thought QKC value expectation 2024 for kind of long stretch QUARK cost assumptions. Basic assessment is essential in a sort of huge manner to the extent that industry benefits. The sort of nearby representative fundamentally offers a couple in an especially significant manner. The really electronic economy's freedom generally makes it certainly ideal in every practical sense significant way, as dApps and stablecoins make the association really offers serious programmable portion activities and limit decisions. Conceivably, the ordinary expense of QKC will rise to about 0.029 by 2024. In case commonly more monetary sponsor are attracted to the IDA for 2024, the year can end with a biggest expense of 0.034, with a base worth degree of 0.028. In an unobtrusive manner, QKC value expectation 2025, a reliable approach to by and large manage this cash, could generally be found on various locales and social occasions. As per this assumption, stage QUARK will reliable at its continuous expense from this point until a long time to come in an unobtrusive manner. By 2025, the QKC in a real sense should justify a genuinely outrageous really worth of 0.050. In a by and large enormous manner, the base expense can go up to 0.040, accepting the market gets bullish, which is genuinely critical. QKC value forecast 2026 QKC will in every practical sense be considered a truly predominant decision, and with the gigantic fundamentally neighborhood cost, will contact new highs in a genuinely large manner. The worth instabilities basically are hard to anticipate, especially in case the market especially is essentially more bullish or certainly negative than any commonly other time in late memory. For the year 2026, the expense of QUARK will in a real sense be somewhat almost 0.057, or so they explicitly thought. The most outrageous worth that we can get certainly is 0.069, which in a real sense is very huge. QUARK typical expense measure close to the completion of 2026 can truly be around 0.058 or so. They thought a colossal worth turnover is somewhat typical inside the range portrayed by the crypto market. In spite of mainstream thinking, QUARK value expectation 2027. Apparently by 2027 QUARK QKC costs will essentially have shown up at